Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer photos from Google Cloud to external hard drive. All right, so first up, make sure to connect your hard drive, to your computer. Now, once done, as you can see here, I have three websites opened. We have Google Takeout, also Photos, and your console.cloud. All right, so what we're going to do in here under console.cloud, if you have a bucket, let's go ahead over the three horizontal lines right here at the top left. Click on it. Now go ahead over to cloud storage. In here, click on buckets. Select the bucket where you have files or photos, and then click on the photo. Okay. Or if you have multiple photos right here, just tick out a tick box besides it. All right. Select multiple and click on download. Just click on it. Now your photo will be opened in a new tab. Just go to right click, hit on save image as, and then locate your external hard drive. For example, drive D right here, hit on save. Okay. Now for photos.google.com, with the same set of steps, click on the photo, go to the top, click on download, open the folder, right click, cut, and save it to your external hard drive. Paste. All right. Now for takeout.google.com, here, all you have to do is just go ahead over to Google Drive or any other Google services right here. For example, Google Chat, Google Meet, Google One, like so. All right. Then go ahead and scroll all the way down, hit on next. In here, transfer to, make sure to select send download link via email. All right. Once done, select export once, leave it to zip. The file size, for example, you have 10 gigabytes of pictures and videos. Well, when you select 2 gigabytes right here, it will be delivered into multiple zip files, which means 5 zip files. Okay. And as you can see here, this is just an example which I have created on May 31st. As you can see, we'll have a download page right here. Just click on download and the download page should start. And then just go ahead and save it in your external hard drive. All right, that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.